People blame screen time. Sabi nila, kaya daw hindi nagsasalita si Liana is because baka daw kasi may gadgets. Bawasan mo kasi yung panonood niya. But they didn't know I was that mom. No screen time, no gadgets. I have to accept that Liana's different. She won't sit for long, she won't lie down. She need movement always. I tried every toy, every technique. But screen time was the only thing that helped her sit so I could rest. God knows how many nights I cried to Him. But I didn't lose hope. I told God na kaya ko lang naman kinakaya. Kasi naniwala ka na kaya ko. So kakayanin ko to. And because God trusted me with this journey, I decided that kahit na gaano kahirap, I will endure it.